Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Abrar, and in today's video we're going to be doing a super amazing TikTok. Let's see what we are going to learn.
I hit it from the back, I put her hair, fuck up her closer. Go. Yeah, bit with that shit, yeah, bit with that shit, come and say that.
Alright, so as you guys have seen in the TikTok, in today's TikTok we are going to mainly focus on this, how to do this locks. So I'm pretty excited to teach you guys this. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button down below because this channel is really going to help you become TikTok famous and help you improve your dancing skills. And now set your phone aside. With that being said, let's quickly bump into the tutorial. Alright, so first thing first, let's quickly start up with the first step, that is one ha. Let's quickly see how to do that. We'll be going step by step. First, what will we be doing? We need to take a jump, and as soon as we take a jump, we have to change our legs. Right will be coming forward and left will be going back. And with that, you gotta keep your right leg straight and left leg will be slightly bent. I mean, you need to slightly bend your left knee. Alright? So we go 1 and 2. After that, the knee movement will be you gotta come straight on your left and then you gotta bend it again. This will be your body movement, and your right leg will be going out with your heel and then coming inside. With that, this part only till here should be moving over here and coming it back. Alright, but make sure that your upper body is facing still forward. Cool? So we go 1, 2. Alright, let's combine it both together from the jump. Come on, 5, 6, 7. Slow. Take a jump and keep your right leg forward. Left is bend a little bit. Goes 1. Face this side, not your upper body, just down and come back. While facing this side, my left knee is getting straight. Cool? One more time we'll do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump. 1, 2. Awesome. You guys are doing so great. Now let's quickly learn the hands. It's important to know that when to take our hands up. When you're taking the jump, you gotta wash your face and your hands will be coming up and down. Alright? Make sure that you're keeping your hands like this, not like this. So we go with the jump. When I'm in the air, I'll take my hands and after keeping it, hip and hip. Don't do it like, no. After keeping your hands, you gotta take your hip out and come back. Alright? Let's quickly try, then we'll go forward. Come on, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Perfect. One more time. 5, 6. Keep your legs at the same place. Goes jump. Wash your face and 2. Perfect. You guys are doing so great. Let's go forward. After doing ha ha, what we gotta do? Let's quickly learn the legs first. Your right leg will be there itself and your left leg will be there itself. If you want to just change it a little bit, you can do it. We gotta do the ball change like this one. Alright. In this, your right hand will be doing this and your left hand will be straight. So this is the hands and this is the legs. Let's quickly try it. We did ha. Now goes 1. And after doing this, we are not going to close our leg. What we'll be doing, we'll be continuing walking. I want your natural walk. I don't want you guys to walk like stiff, like you're doing march pass. We'll be walking it like naturally as you guys always walk. Alright, so we did this. Now take left up, then right up. And your hands will be, when you're taking your left up, your hands will go this side, wave up. And then when you're taking your right, this side, wave off. Alright, so we did ball change, left and wave up, right and wave up. Alright, and I don't want you guys to take your leg like this, just take it like this. Alright, one more time. We did boom, ha, ha. It should be looking natural, guys. Don't do it like no. Alright, one more time, then we'll go forward from the start. Goes 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 ha ha. Now over there itself, ball change, left, right. Perfect. Let's go forward. After doing left, right, what are we gonna do? We'll be doing the helicopter hands. Let's quickly see how to do that. The big tip which I want to give you guys is, while doing this, I did a big mistake that I was doing the helicopter hands near to my face. I was covering my face basically. So I want you guys not to do this mistake. Make sure that you're keeping your hands this much up. Let me just bend. Like, you gotta do it in this way. Alright, let's quickly learn how to do this. If you don't know, you gotta keep your left hand over here and right will be coming up. Then you gotta change your left, turn it like this, and then your right hand will be turning. Left hand will be doing just this. Okay, so we are here, turn and turn and turn. Cool. So this is how you're gonna do the helicopter hands. So your hands will be doing up like this. Only 2 times you gotta do ha ha. Then we'll be continuing the locks part. Alright, one more time. Come on, 5, 6, 7, 8. We did walk, walk, hands up, tirit. Perfect, you guys are doing so great. One more time, come on, 5, 6, 7. We did ball, change, left and right side, right and left side. Please don't bend your knees. I'm just showing you because the camera is not that much long. Alright, let's quickly go forward after doing Now what we'll be doing? We'll be hitting the locks. Let's quickly learn. I want your full focus now because this step is very important because everybody's hitting it. So basically we'll be learning the legs first, then body and then hands. Alright, so first legs will be just doing nothing. Tap and drag inside. Tap, drag, tap, drag, tap, drag. So total we gotta tap and drag 8 times. Alright, in between we have a speed breaker also. I'll let you know that. Let's quickly learn the body because body is very important. When you're tapping it, your body will slightly lean and then you need to pretend like someone is pulling you from the back and then you're gonna go back to the place. With that, I told you you need to drag your leg also. Same to the other side. Tap, lean your body, drag, tap, drag. Alright, it should not be looking like this. No, it should be looking like ha, like ha, 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 ha. It should be looking like sudden reaction, like someone is suddenly pulling you back, so that it will look like ha, what, like that. Cool. So your body will go first, then your head will go. Make sure that you follow this. And in between, while doing ha, ha, as I told you, we gotta do it 8 times. In between, we will be tapping tha tha, then pull again. Alright, it is the rolling part as you guys have seen in the TikToks, right? So what we will be doing? Tap and drag, tap and drag, tap, tap and tap and drag. This one will be following. Alright, let's quickly do it. Only the legs 8 times slow so that you will understand. Goes 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap, ha, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, total we gotta do 8 times. In between, while 3 we are tapping ha ha, then ha. Alright, that's it. Let's quickly learn the hands now. First your hands will be over here, like you'll be facing this side as you guys know. Then you gotta drag it over here and you'll be facing this side, then back to the place. And now we'll be rolling it, and then while tapping 2 times as I said, and on the 3rd time we gotta roll and turn over here. While tapping 2 times we are not going to roll, but on the 3rd time you gotta roll and turn over here. Alright, let's quickly see. So we did ha, ha, now ha, ha, don't roll your hands, now ha, like that we gotta do. Cool. After that your hands will be, after coming over here, you gotta iron your clothes on your body and turn this side with this, and then we'll be checking like this and we'll be turning over here again, turn, and then we'll be playing the guitar, turn, and again the guitar. Alright, so if we do only the hands, it's 1, 2, tap tap, drag, iron and turn, look and turn, guitar, guitar. Alright, so the starting one will be same, then in between you're changing, then same and same. Let's quickly try it with the legs, very slow, and make sure while doing it you're looking sides, not forward. Alright, so we go. Let's try it slow with the legs. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap and drag, tap and drag. Now tap tap, now iron, whoop, now look, now guitar and guitar. Awesome, you guys are doing so great. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoop, whoop, ha ha, whoop. Iron your clothes, look, guitar and guitar. Perfect. Let's try it from the start till here. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, ha, ha, ball, change, left, right, helicopter hands, boom, boom, ha, ha, whoop, look, play and play. Perfect. Let's go forward. After playing ha, ha, let's quickly learn the legs first. We'll be jumping and coming down on our knees like this much down. Then we'll be coming up slowly like this. With that, if you want to shake your knees, you can do that too. And your hands will be, you're gonna rotate your hands towards your left like this, 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 this. 4 times you gotta rotate, and make sure while doing it, you have to open your hands. Your elbows should not be touching to your stomach. It should be far away a little bit. And then roll, 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 roll. If you want to open your fingers, you can do that too. So we did 1, 2, now goes jump, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. If you want to shake your knees also, it's up to you, or if not, just do this, it will look good. Cool? One more time. 5, 6, 7. From here, we did ha, ha, jump, hands ready, boy, 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 boy. Perfect. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta-da-da, ta-da, hoop, why, why. Perfect. You guys are doing so great. Let's go forward. After doing boy. Now we'll be changing our full body weight to our right, and we'll be just slightly bending our right, and our left will be straight on our toe. And then we're gonna just move our upper body to this, then this. Or if you want to shake your hips like a lot of the TikTokers are doing, they're doing the twerk. Or if you want to do this, you can do that too. Alright, it's up to you. But we'll be learning this. Let's quickly see. So we are here. Now we'll be leaning our upper body and cleaning our right shoulder, then straight and right shoulder. With that, if you want to, shake your left leg also, you can do it. Ha, ha, like that. Alright. After doing that, I hope that it's very easy. After doing this, what we're gonna do, we'll be tapping 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So hands are 1, 2, 3, 4, and your legs are tap, tap, tap. That's all. So we go ha, ha, boom. Or if you want to talk, as I said, you can talk. Alright. And with that being said, you have learned your TikTok dance. Now let's try it from the start till the end. Slow, medium, tempo. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. We did 1, ha, ball, change. Now left come ups. 1, 2, boom, boom, boom. Let me just bend, boom, boom. 2 times only. 1, change, 2, drag your leg, tap, tap, drag, iron your clothes, look who is watching, play the guitar, jump, hands ready, 1, 2, 3, 4, body weight change, ha, 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 1, 2, ha. Perfect. You guys are doing so great. Let's do it a little more fast. Come on. 5, 6, medium speed. Goes ha, ball change, walk, boom, 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 ha, ha, tap, tap, boom, iron, look, play the guitar, jump, ha, 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 clean, boom, boom, boom. Perfect, you guys are doing so great. Now let's try the tempo speed, which is the normal one. Come on. 5, 6, 7. Take your position. Goes ha, boom, ha, 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 boom, boom, ha, ha, boom, ha, ha, boom, boom, ha, 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 boom, boom, ha. Perfect. And with that being said, you have learned your TikTok dance. And if this TikTok tutorial helped you a little bit, please hit the subscribe button down below, because that will motivate me to make more videos just like this. And now let's try it with the music.
I hit it from the back, I put her hair, fuck up her closer. Go. Rock, rock, yeah, bitch, what that shit talking about? Yeah, bitch, what that shit talking about? Come and say that.